Yesterday, that is 10th July, I sell my share in this stock. Let us see where I enter. Let us look at once in the monthly time frame to observe the trend of the stock. If we see in the monthly time frame, it get rejected here, 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 here. If you see now, a sort of triangle pattern is forming here. Let us go to the weekly time frame and check this out. If we see in this weekly, it is taking good support, right? Every time wick is formed at this trend line, taking good support. And also if we see that the rising in falling is equally same and also very drastic, right? So I think this is a good pattern, but but let us observe that it taking resistance at this monthly time frame trend line also, right? First time, second time, third time. So be careful while taking the trades like this. It tried to break but it failed, right? A second time failed. Whenever it coming near to this monthly time frame trend line, it is breaking, right, and forming wick, right? But for this time, if we see that I draw this pattern based on the weekly close. Let me just go into the daily time frame. In daily time frame, if we see that it tried previously, right, but failed to close. That's why always wait for the end of the day in order to buy. Maybe at the end of the day, sellers may come and sell this off. Why did I enter here? I didn't enter here, and then it take rejection right away. Slowly, the volume of the candles are decreasing and goes up, right. This day it closes strongly and covering this wick. What does this mean? This wick is covered with strong close. It means that it may go up, right? So that's why I enter here. I waited for the end of the day. At the end of the day, I buy at here. Let us just see how much stop loss I put in this stock. I enter here, right? I put my stop loss below this candle because this is the consolidation, right? And then the volume is picked up, right? This is where the buyers come, right? So that's why I put my stop loss below this. Let us once observe in the weekly also. In weekly also, the wicks are formed at the end of the week, right? So it is hard for the sellers to sell below this price, right? So let us go to the daily. So where did I put my stop loss below this, right? With 6.2%. And let's see what happened that. After that I buy. After that I buy. The price moves up, but end of the day some wick is formed. That's why this type of consolidation you see. And this day also, this wick is completely absorbed by the buyers. Complete sellers are killed. That's why this is strong candle. But did you see after the strong candle, there is some sort of wick is formed? What does it mean? It may consolidate for some time and goes up. But do you see why did I exit? Is mainly every time it goes near to this price level, monthly trend line, every time wick is formed. That's why I afraid to not to sell. After what happened is some decent candles are formed, but this day, if you see, this is a strong candle, right? If the candles are like this, I will wait because it may break up, right? I miss this price, right? So that's why I wait for the end of the day. It goes nearer to this, but buyers come and observe this, and I exited here because this is also the strong close I thought. But what happened after that I exited this share somewhat, but also somewhat cover up the price, but some wick is formed at here may consolidate for some time. This is it. I'm afraid it may go down, right? That is why I sell by observing these wicks. This is it.